Hello everyone. So this is the question 80 divided by 40 divided by 20 and divided by 10. What is the answer? So as per the main thing, that is 80 divided by 40 is 2 and 20 divided by 10 is 2. So that means 2 divided by 1. But this is wrong. This is not the way to solve this question. The right way to solve the same question is that you have to do in a sequence way. The sequence, the first will come in the first way, like from the left to right, you will be solving the question. That is 80 divided by 40, you will get 2. Then you have to divide by this 20 and then this 10. Now, this is 2 divided by 20. It will be written like this and this divided by 10. Now, as per the KCF rule, that is keep, change and flip, you have to keep the first one, change the sign to multiplication and this will be flipped. So now you have to cut it. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. Now just multiply the remainings. That will be 1 ones are 1 and 10 tens are 100. Or you can write in this way 0.01. This is the correct answer. Thank you.